Good morning, student. Welcome to your online biology class. Student, in the study online class I have completed the chapter number 8 and started the new chapter number 9. Okay, you know the name of chapter? The name of chapter is the force, energy and simple machine. This is a part of physics, subject physics of science. So in this chapter, student, you will learn about the types of force and what is the effect of the force on the object. Yesterday I have completed the effect of force on the body. When we apply the force, it can change the direction of the object, or it can start a stationary object to move, or it can stop a moving object, or it can change the shape and size of the any object by applied force to desired shape and size. So this is the effect of the force. Now Today I will start the new topic in this chapter. It is what is the types of force. So all of you get open the chapter number 9. The topic types of force. Today is student 16th of the December, class 5th, science. Topic, today's my topic is types of force. Okay, types of force. In our universe, there are so many types of force. Okay, like gravitational force, okay, gravitational force or gravity, electrostatic force, electrostatic force, and magnetic force, magnetic bond, BUOYA, buoyant force. Fifth is the mechanical, MECHA, mechanical force, and 6 is the frictional force. Frictional, FRICTION, frictional force. Frictional force. Now I will explain one by one the all types of force. So many there are other types of forces also found in the universe. A gravitational force or force due to the gravity. It is, student, our earth have 3 layers: crust, mantle and core. In the deep of the core, there very giant magnet are found. So the earth attract all the things towards it. When we throw any object on the upper side, they always comes toward the earth. So student, the fallen of the fruits, leaves already fallen down on the earth surface. Why? Due to gravity. So this force is called the gravity. Okay, though So this force is called the gravity. The gravitational force is first observed by the Newton. So all the planets in our solar system are fixed to their own position due to the gravitational force. Means all have planets, okay, Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, all are there. They have their own gravitational force. Okay, because due to this they are moved their own path. Okay, so all the planets are attract to each other and fixed in their path. So these are the phenomena are due to the force of called gravitational force. Okay, what is the electrostatic force? Electrostatic force. Suppose you can do an activity. When you rub any gum or plastic with the head of your dry hair, or okay, plastic gum or pen on your hair, and bring, suppose this is the gum. When you rub in your hair and bring with the bits of the paper, they attract. Why? Due to the rubber of the plastic pen or the gum, a force is generated. This is called electrostatic force that attract the bits of the paper toward it. Okay? So this pen gum is said to have the acquired electrostatic force. They acquired electrostatic force. This is a bit of paper. Bit of paper. Okay. Such an example is called the electrostatical force because the gum or the plastic pen now getting the what? Electrical charge. This is the electrical charge. The magnetic force. When two magnets are brought to near each other, they are attract to each other or they are repel to each other. Generally, the magnetic material are attracted by the magnet. Due to why? This is due to the magnetic force. So magnetic force, a force that is applied in any magnetic substances which are attracted by a magnet. Okay, so the substance that attract by a magnet are called the magnetic force. The substances which are attracted by a magnet is called the magnetic force. Okay, so magnet can exert even without coming in contact. They attract far away the magnetic substance toward it without the touching of the magnetic material and magnet. Okay. Now what is buoyant force? These are generally found in the water. When any substances are placed in water, they exert a pressure which are exerted by the water on the upper side, by which the object float on the water. The weight of the object will experiences some force by water. This is called the buoyant force. Due to this, the water rises on the surface of their object. So water or liquid, this force resists to object to being merged in the water. Okay. The upward force facing by the object by the water is called a buoyant force. is the buoyant force. The buoyant force depends on the weight of the water displaced by the object. Because when some weight of the object will go inside the surface of the water, and water will raise, which are the equal weight of the object, and displace it. Means the weight of the water displaced by the object, an object float or sink in water due to the buoyant force. So buoyant force displaces some water, okay, due to which they can float or sink or merge in the water. No, a small nails made of the iron is merged in water, but a big ship is float on water. Why? Because the displace of water by the nails is much more than their size of their nails, and ship are very big in size. When they are placed in water, the water not drawn or immerse the ship, because the displace of water is equal to the weight of their ships. So ships is really not merged in water. Mechanical force. Mechanical force means a simple machine or using a tools by which we can make our work easier. Okay. Suppose when kick a ball with our leg, so contact of the ball with our leg is called the mechanical force. Or opening of the dryer or opening of the door is an example of the mechanical force. So the force used due to the direct contact with an object. Direct contact with an object is called the mechanical force. Okay. Like lifting a bar, pulling any object, okay, pushing the door, etc. are the some example of the mechanical force. Frictional force. Frictional force is very necessary evil. This is very necessary evil by which we can walk on the floor and vehicles, automobiles are run on the road. The frictional force acting between the surface of two objects. Suppose our shoes, the surface of the shoes is contact with the earth. Okay. Due to this, a opposite and equal force are applied on both of the surfaces. Okay. So we can move on the road or on the road, on the field. So a rough surface exerted more frictional force than a smooth surface. So in a smooth surface there is very less frictions are found, by which we can slip on the smooth surface, like on the glass. It is very difficult to run on the glass because there is very less frictional force are found between the two surfaces and do not create more opposite force between them. Okay. So there are advantages and disadvantages of frictional force. Advantages: you erase some dirty diagram by the eraser. Due to why? Due to the frictional force. You rub the diagram with the eraser and erase your dirty diagram due to the frictional forces. Okay. And also used in the running of the vehicle on the road. Due to this, they are not slip on the roads and they spin on their roads. So, likewise, cannot stop a moving car without the friction. When we apply brake, the car or vehicle are going to stop after some or few seconds due to the frictional force between the tires and the road. And we cannot walk on the road without the frictional force. And what is the disadvantage of the frictional force, student? Disadvantage means we cannot move the box easily on the road due to the frictional force, because it because an opposite force is applied between the surface of the box and the surface of the car. Okay, and also very difficult to riding the bicycle on the road due to the difficulties of the due to the frictional force. Okay. And a frictional force also found in the machines. When machines are runs, their ball bearing are get what damages due to the frictional force between their ball and bearing. Okay, so this can cause a loss of energy damage in the machines. And you know, our shoes and tires generally cracked after using of some days because due to the frictional force. Okay, so you can reduce the frictional force by giving oil or grease in the ball bearing. Okay, in the ball bearing to make the surface smoother and reduce in the machines. Okay, now there is a concept check is given on the page number 104. All of you open the page number 104. Concept check page number 104. I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question. Is it true or false? Also correct the first step. Also correct the first STATEMENT. I am not going to write down question. You are also, but you will write down the question answer both in your classwork copy. Okay, so make two copy. One is the half yearly, second is the second annually for annual examination. Answer first. A force cannot move a stationary object. Student, a force can move the stationary object. So a force cannot move. So this is the false. Correct? Correct statement. A force can move, stationary, stationary object. The force of gravity act when two objects interact with each other. No, it's a frictional force. False. Correct statement. Write down the force of gravity act the force by which the force of gravity, the force of gravity exerted by the earth. The force of gravity exerted by the earth. Okay. By which an object is attract, attracted by the earth towards the center, towards the CENTRE. The force of gravity exerted by the earth, by which an object is attracted by the earth towards its center. Write down, student, in your copy. A computer uses electrical energy third, true. friction make the movement difficult. Okay, true. Answer 4. Band force act on all object placed in a liquid. True. Mechanical force make use of our muscles. True. So because this is direct contact between the our hand or our muscles part to the object. This is the mechanical force. So complete this in your copy. Now student write down the homework. Types of force. Okay. Thank you, student. Write down and mention the date in your diary. Okay. Have a nice day. I hope you are all read at your home very carefully. Thank you, student.